As an electronics hobbyist, I store my electronics components on this food enclosure. But it's quite annoying when you always open and close the lid when you get some components. So in this video, we will build a components drawer out of this cheap food enclosure. So let's start building. Subscribe. Very good. So first, we need this type of food enclosure. The brand is iPack, but it's not made by Apple though. It's just a local brand. It's cheap. It's just about 7 PHP. In my case, I want to have a separator so we can store more components. We will make it from its own lid cover. So we will make a template first like this shape and scrape it using a screwdriver so we have a guide when we cut it into shape. The next step is to slap it. And there you have your separators. But actually, I just use a scissor to cut all of this. So there we have our separators. So next is to bend the sides so we can attach it to the sides. We use these long nose pliers to bend and also mark it so we know at what length to bend. So we bend all of it. If you're in a hurry, just make it fast. We will get this paper stapler and use it like a gun tucker and point it to the container. Alright, after that we will get the staple and scrap on this to mark it and make a small hole in it. So now we will insert the staple and the other side we bend it to lock it in place. And of course, do this to the other side as well. We will use this garden tie or twist tie to make a handle for our drawer and cut it into the desired length. Make a hole on the front using this paper template and insert it and bend the two ends of it. So there we have our handle. We measure the dimensions of the container and make a plan for its main body on a piece of paper. In total, there are 15 containers. Now, I just made it with a 5mm scrap plywood and joined them together using small nails. My plywood is bad because some part of it is eaten by termites. But anyway, I got this glue from Elmer and glued this paper to the edges so the holes and rough edges will be covered. So we will use gray spray paint to make it look better. And our cabinet is finished. It's now completely dry, so we can now insert the container that we made. But don't do it in reverse. Such a genius. So there we have our electronic components drawer or organizer. It's not super perfect, but it works without a problem. And that's how I make this cheap component drawer. What do you think about this project? Comment down below. I know that one would just buy a readily made one, but why not make it? This is only applicable though if you have time. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like it. If so, please don't forget to subscribe or I will call the police. Just joking. This is PinoyEnginerd. See you later on my next videos.